everyone, welcome to my channel. Do you notice something new here today? We have a Barkbox to unbox, but unexpectedly yesterday we went and picked up a little friend here for Oliver. This is Oliver. He's 11 months old. He belongs to Mason, and I fell in love with him when he brought him home last year, and I knew I was going to be heartbroken when Mason moves away and takes Oliver with him. So I knew one day I wanted to get another golden doodle because he has just been the sweetest dog and so smart, and he doesn't shed. He's never chewed anything up. He hasn't had
the box.
He does like paper and boxes. And so I happened to find this little litter of golden doodles. Here you go. He doesn't even have a name yet. Can y'all help me name him? We kind of have it narrowed down to Tucker or what was that?
Kirby? Your favorite?
We kind of have it narrowed down to either Tucky.
Okay, look, it's either Tucker or Kirby.
He cracks me up. He's just so sweet. He's very calm. I thought about Henry also. Please give me your opinion on what I should name this little guy. He's 11 weeks old. He's supposed to grow to be about 40 pounds. His dad is a 25-pound poodle, and his mom is a golden retriever.
He's 9.4 at the moment.
9.6 pounds.
Okay, close enough.
Yesterday at 11 weeks. And he is so sweet. He even slept through the night last night without a peep in his little crate. So, you want to watch what came in the Barkbox? Right here next to Oliver. And they're doing great together. They've been playing. Oliver is excited. Where are you going? We're about to open it. Okay, let's see what it is. Okay, what does that say? It's like a little shop window. Okay. And it says J.M. Slobbering's Candy Shop. Oh, it's a candy theme. Look how cute. Let's see what we have. Oh, he likes it. He loves squeaky toys. Look. What do you think, Oliver? What do you think? Okay, so this is the first toy. It says Fuzzy Yummies. It's just like a little wrapped candy with a little face on it. And it squeaks. Well, I can't make it squeak. There. It's kind of hard to squeak. There you go.
Bacon berry droolies. Soft baked blueberry and bacon dog treats.
Blueberry and bacon. Okay. And another bag of treats. Ham dandies. Pork dog treats. So those look good. Oh, and another toy. Oliver, what do you... Oh, this looks interesting. It's like an envelope. It says belly thing. Oliver, this looks interesting. What is it? It's like little candies inside of a bag. Oh, look, they can share. Now, look, y'all can all have your own candies.
Oh, he's gonna like these. Oliver. And the bag is like crinkly.
That is cute. That is, let me show you. Where's the... It's like 3 of these. They're all alike, I guess. Very cute. And they're little. That'll be good for the little pup. Very sweet. Is that it? There's one. Oh, there's also a chew. Play-Doh Pet Treats Thinker's Duck Recipe. Okay, is that it? It just has the paper with like little games and different things. No, there's no games this time. Very cute. Okay, Oliver has the envelope down here, chewing on it. Well, that is it for the Barkbox this month. If you'd like to try it, I'll have a link below. If you want to sign up your dog, you can get either 1 month at a time, or you can sign up for 6 months at a time, or we signed up for a year because it made it cheaper that way. So, all right, well, thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to let me know what you think we should name this little puppy.